Hi, and welcome to CTA Digital. There are hundreds of sweet motion-controlled racing apps for the Kindle. But why tilt your Kindle around when you can turn an actual wheel in an actual car? Introducing the Dora the Explorer Inflatable Race Car. Hey Bianca, we are not quite ready for you yet. Well, let's bring in one of our CTA Digital scientists to help you get your inflatable race car up and running in no time. Hello, scientist. Take it away.
Thanks. The car is amazingly easy to set up. Just pop open the valves around the car and inflate each section of the car with the included foot pump. Once inflated, the steering wheel cradle will securely hold your Kindle, protecting it from any bumps or falls. Simply insert the Kindle, lift the lock, and snap the latch to connect it to the inflatable car. Extra grips on each side of the wheel provide comfortable control while you tilt and turn your way through games and awesome apps. And when your race is over, you can use the same pump to quickly deflate the car and store it for later use. And this inflatable car is suitable for kid drivers of all ages.
Sorry. Oh. Sue, doing anything later?
Science stuff.
The Dora the Explorer. The Dora the Explorer inflatable race car for the Kindle. Drivers, start your engines. The Dora the Explorer inflatable race car for the Kindle from CTA Digital.